I have a question. Do you use smartphone very often? If so, you can start making money online even if you have never done it before. This is free, so it won't cost you anything to do. All you have to do is download the apps that I tell you and also show you how to do it. After that, you do nothing but basic tasks to get paid. Today I'll be showing the 3 websites where you're gonna make money. Hey, this is Sid. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. I'll be showing you how to make money every single day. Hit the notification icon so that you do not miss any of the updates which we're gonna post every single day. So let's get started. The first one is called userfield.com. I bet most of you didn't even know this website existed until now. What is userfield.com? Well, it's a website where you can get paid to try out apps and other things. This works because businesses all over the world need someone to check their apps and websites for the bugs and other problems. You can get help with this at userfield.com. They'll give money to userfield.com, which will then pay people like you to test. You get paid, plain and simple. As you might expect, this kind of testing doesn't need any special skills, knowledge or experience. This is the first website which I show you today. If you have never tried to make money online before, this is a great place to start. Also, this site is very popular. Hundreds of thousands of people from all over the world have used it. So this does work in most countries, probably it works in yours too. Also, a lot of customers are happy and you can see them below. You will also find a lot of information about this site, what it has to offer and everything. Userfield is a tool that lets you check how easy a site is to use, how well it works for the people who speak any language. More than 130,000 testers who speak 40 different languages work on this site. I think this is what brings a lot of their customers to this site, because having testers from all over the world makes it easy to test the website app that isn't in English. So it makes sense for us to test on desktop, mobile or tablet. We can test websites and apps on Android, iPhone and iPad by using the app or external camera. If you can test apps on your phone, you don't have to be at home, which is a big plus. All you need is a phone or a tablet. As you can see, each test costs $10 and takes between 10 to 20 minutes. When you get to this page, you read it carefully because you need to know how everything works and what you need to know. So that this video doesn't get too long, I'll only talk about the most important parts. You don't have to pay for anything, which is the first great thing. It is completely free. You'll also need a computer with Windows or Mac or microphone. If you already have a laptop, you probably don't need to buy any mic because it probably has one built in. Don't worry about using your real name on the test. You are not forced to use it. You do start testing right away. Again, you do not have to do anything hard or tricky. The last thing on this page is about how you get paid. You can get paid through PayPal, which is a good thing. It works for everyone. After you have read all this, scroll to the bottom of the page and click to become a tester right here. You will be taken to the page where you just need to enter some basic information about yourself. I am sure you can do this on your own, so I won't show you how to do that. After all of that, it's a time to move on to the next platform, that is honeygain.com. This platform is different from the last one because you can earn money by letting other people use your internet. Don't worry, it's pretty secure. With Honeygain, you can make money online while you sleep. Like I said before, Honeygain makes sure that only the trusted partners use your internet traffic. The app never asks for or get access to your device storage, so it can't steal your data, and only the trusted partners use your internet traffic. You can learn more about honeygain.com by clicking here, but I think you already know how it works. In a simple way, it makes it easier for other people to use the internet and pays you for it. Here are the steps one by one. Before you can set this up, you have to install it. You then run the app, which will use your internet data to gather information that will help the businesses. Finally, you get paid. You can use PayPal or even cryptocurrencies as you wish. The last thing I want to say about this site is it doesn't pay much and it depends on how fast your internet connection is. But I need to remind you that this is a way to make passive income. You can leave it running and it will make money for you. So I think you should use Honeygain when you have no time at all, and you should use Userfield when you have some time. Moneyapp.org is the name of the last app which we will talk about today. As you can see, this is one of the most highly rated apps. It is available both on iOS and Android. If you see in the App Store, you can see that 4.9 star rating where hundreds of thousands of people have given this, and this should show that this app can and will help you make money. They will pay you for the tasks they give you. When you do these things, you will get credits. You can trade these credits for money. So these are the 3 apps which I wanted to recommend for you to try on and make passive income. So before you go, I will ask you one favor. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe so that you can watch all our videos where you can make money online. If you haven't liked, please like the video so that it reaches all the awesome audience just like you who are waiting to make money online. Do hit the notification so that you'll get all the updates. Like every day we post new tips and tricks where you can make money passively. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Thank you very much.